sense with what I'm currently doing on this channel. So cursed paintings. I'm positive a lot of people seeing this video has heard or seen creepy videos like this or even lived for them up here on YouTube. Svetlana Telets, very sorry for butchering the name by the way, shortly after her graduation from the Odessa Art University in 1996, completed a painting called The Woman of the Rain. Now, this painting, after being put up for sale, reportedly caused a lot of problems for people that purchased it. Problems going from insomnia, anxiety, and the feelings of being watched amongst other unexplainable occurrences. One purchaser of the painting quickly returned the painting, and the other, which was a man, returned the painting without a refund, which could suggest that he was subjected to something more terrifying than the previous purchasers. Currently, the painting is being held within a shop only for view. But despite being in a shop, people still report live supernatural occurrences like the woman's face expressions changing from happy to angry to neutral. But who knows, maybe the person or people looking at the painting are all ugly, or maybe the painting itself does not like being stared at all day. Maybe their breath stinks even. If this painting truly is cursed, she's quite the jokester, isn't she? Or just rude. But who the rude one here is subjective. No one wants to smell breath. Do you want to smell breath? Didn't think so. It's interesting how this painting came to be because technically you can say this painting didn't come from Lana herself. Rather, she acted as a conduit. Lana states that she felt as if there was always someone watching her and she has always disregarded those feelings. One day, she felt as if she wanted to paint something but nothing came to mind. The painting mom she created for the most part was guided. Her hands were being moved by an unexplainable force, and in 5 hours you can say the guiding force that aided her in this painting revealed her complete self to Lana and everyone on canvas in 4K, given that this painting later became recognized as one of the top cursed paintings out there. Now, being the curious person that I am, in terms I'm a college student, so you're gonna have to try harder with that. I mean, if all it's going to give are headaches and possibly hallucinations, this is not an S-tier cursed painting like The Crying Boy, who will reportedly set your own house on fire. I see this painting more as an early practice for my future wife. Meaning in my own house, I would actually consider personally owning this painting for like 5 business days and document this progress in 4K on YouTube. You know, set up the cameras like you see in Paranormal Activity. I want smoke from